Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lika. I'm back again with another video. So guys, today I I'm actually vlogging in the night. I can't sleep, so I decided to make a video for you guys. And by the way, I went to the barber shop. It is in the shed. So yeah, I decided to vlog for you guys because I feel like 2022 is gonna bring us a lot of packages, and we need to go on holiday. Okay, we just have to go on holiday. So today we're gonna talk about the top 5 summer escapes that could change your African experience. Like always, I jot down some notes and they are the ones that I'm gonna be using. So stick around and hear what I have for you. So let's roll the intro and let's get into it. By traveling and seeing the world, we get to understand different lifestyle, ethnicity, and traditions. It's not only a life-changing experience being able to reason with the concept that we are one despite our differences. It is also rewarding in knowing that there really is more to life than just a trip. So planning your trip to Africa really shouldn't scare you or make you feel cautious. In fact, it should excite you. It is no surprise that this is the first on our list of places to visit during the summer. Although the best time to see the Victoria Falls would be during the rainy season, as we like to call it, it is also equally as beautiful as in the sunshine. The Victoria Falls is famously known for its place on the list of one of the 7 wonders of the world. This is definitely a reason to see it with your own eyes. Locally, it is known as the Mosotunya, meaning the smoke that thunders. Simply put, this is due to a stunning visual aspect of the smoke of the fall's water hitting the surface from about 30 kilometers away. What a mighty distance. Number 2 is the Devil's Pool. Being a part of the Victoria Falls experience, it is only right to have an opportunity to be a part of the thousands of travelers that have been inside the Devil's Pool. Granted, the water levels are significantly lower in the summer from September to October. However, the spectacle of the view the moment you enter the Devil's Pool subside any time of the year by a mile. The formation of the erosion coincidentally created a cup of a pool that allows you to sit inside it without the rush of the falls knocking you over the edge. You actually just get a front row seat to the falls without any ads. Number 3 is Chaminoka Nature Resort. This beautiful reserve, also known as a village on the hill for its creativity, tucked away in a quiet environment just outside Lusaka, Zambia in Chongwe. At Chaminoka Nature Reserve, there is something for everyone. Activities include African boat rides, cheese and wine tasting, game and safari walks, game drives, and the most famous of them all, the cheetah walk, or also cheetah interaction. If you're not particularly a fan of activities, there are in-house things to do, such as swimming in the wonderful pool bang in the middle of the outdoor lunch restaurant, playing pool on their massive table, reading fantastic books, both international and local, in their large library. And number 4 is Siavonga. As you know, Siavonga is actually my favorite town in Zambia. So this is a beautiful place in Zambia, situated about a 2-hour drive away from the capital city of Lusaka. Siavonga is the home of summertime fun, beaches and exotic resorts, lodges and hotels. It lies on the north shore of Lake Kariba, which makes for a perfect tourist attraction. Most resorts in Siavonga offer activities such as fishing, boat cruises, beach parties, jet skiing, and so much more. This is Summer Escape Central for anyone looking for a good African summer experience. Delicious local and international cuisines are served in this town. You will certainly enjoy eating different types of fish from here. You might end up becoming fish yourself. Yeah, guys, so I recommend Siavonga, okay, because Siavonga is a place to be. And number 5 is the South Luangwa National Park. Located on the east of Zambia's Luangwa River Valley lies the outstanding national park that is indeed Zambia's pride and joy. Being the only national park in Zambia to obtain the largest majority of animal and bird species, this park is certainly one to visit. For most people, having an opportunity to see wildlife is an extraordinary experience. But what most people aren't made aware of is the better thrill of walking through the moment. Instead of taking a bakkie, a 2 or 4-seater car with the back out used for game drives or off-road, why not opt for a gentle, packed walk through the park and get to see an elephant or 2 up close? With a variety of 60 different species of animals and over 400 species of birds species. Taking a walk will never be the same for you again. South Luangwa National Park also has stunning luxury bush camps and lodges dotted in and around the park. You get to have the absolute full naturalistic package, which will definitely change your African experience. I am just here to give you very useful information. So thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. Without you, I am nothing. So as you can see, there are zebras there. Yeah, so if you answered no to all the questions, then you already have found your answer to life's greatest travel achievement and experience. You have to travel, visit Zambia. Welcome to Africa. Welcome to Zambia. So thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos anyway. See you in my next video. Remember to like, comment, and share with your friends. Bye.
I miss the way we were before, and everybody knows